So many people are asking me about credit scores and what credit score do I actually need to buy a house, because we're all out there hearing what Credit Karma and everybody else has to say. Fannie is dropping, FHA is dropping, no one's dropping, we still need a credit score. So here's the real answer. It isn't a single number. Different loan programs have different minimum credit scores, and many buyers qualify with lower scores than they would expect. What matters most is the overall picture, not just your credit score. So here's the general breakdown. On a typical conventional loan, you need about a 620 FICO score, but your rate's going to be affected by what your credit score is. An FHA loan allows a credit score as low as 580, but usually 585 is where we need to be. VA and USDA are more flexible, but you still need about a 580 and above. So keep in mind these general guidelines. We also need to look at income, savings, and other items for purchasing a house. It's not just the FICO score. I talk to many borrowers who assume that their credit isn't good enough, and they don't even have that conversation. But your credit score is not a judgment. It's just a snapshot. Sometimes it's as simple as paying down a balance or correcting an error or giving your credit a little bit more time to recover. Everyone says, oh, my FICO score on my bank says it's X. It is different for every single reason why you pull your credit score. There's not one credit score that's yours. So you really need to have a tri-merged credit report pulled from a mortgage person. It's not a matter if it's a hard pull or if it's a soft pull. If you have good credit, a hard pull will not affect your FICO score. Talk to a mortgage professional. They'll tell you what your FICO score is that they would use in order to qualify you. You don't need perfect credit to buy a house. You need the right strategy and a clear understanding of your options. If you're unsure where you stand, start the conversation. Information is power, and clarity comes first. So if you like this information, like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, put in the comments below.